Here's a quick tour of the welding cart. Plasma cutter on top, and the TIG welder in the middle, and the MIG welder in the bottom. Got lead holders for plasma torch on the top, and the MIG gun there in the middle. And the ground lead there in the front, and it's currently plugged into the MIG welder, but it's going to be a junction box hiding back in there. So all three machines can use the same work lead or ground lead. Over on this side, there's the lead holders in the back for the power cables, well, and also a spare extension cord down there, big beefy extension cord, and lead holder for the TIG torch and the TIG pedal lead, and then I made a holster for the TIG pedal. Almost done.